What you're looking at in the upper right-hand corner is the sound pressure level meter. The mean level in this home when there are no assaults with microwave going on is 37 to 32 decibels. Look at what it is when I'm not speaking. There's nothing on in this home, nothing, not one single thing except the computer, which amounts to about 2 decibels maximum at the fans. Underneath the sound pressure level meter is an oscilloscope. Look at the activity there when I'm not speaking. Now in the bottom left, that's a spectrum analyzer. There's nothing on in this home. Why is it even moving? Why are any of these things moving? It's because of the microwave assaults. 24/7 microwave assaults on me and my family and others in this community. Look at the sound pressure or the spectrum analyzer, bottom left again, and look at the lower frequencies on the far left. I have special microphones. They go below 20 hertz. Look at that activity. That's called terrorism. And it's been going on here since 2008, started by a man named Peter Phelps Vermilia, who worked for a company called F.C. Berry, a military contractor out of Virginia, a stone's throw from the CIA. And the Pentagon.